insert the key into the unit, half a turn, and then the whole unit will split apart. Simple as that. So the unit just goes into the housing there. That's in the hitched position there, so at the moment it's for when it's coupled to a towing vehicle. You can put it on when it's stationary. Your tow bar is going up into the ball unit through this hole in the bottom here. When it's in the unhitched position, as this trailer is now, you just turn this 180 degrees and insert it. Then it's sealed up underneath here, so nothing can be put in there to try and couple into the ball, into the coupling.